Hello friends, look what's back. This is the 2012 Chevy Cruze, but there's a reason that it's back. Remember we put lipstick on a pig? You wouldn't know it. It is so bad. So guess what? This is horrible. So what we're going to do is sand it down. Yes, it is dirty. No, I'm not washing it. So it's almost like we didn't put anything on top of it. We're wondering if we even got good stuff when he got the clear coat. Now, let me show you this because this is new. Sitting in the sun, this is what happened. So our guess is that was the crappiest clear coat on the planet. But let me tell you what else. Over time, we've discovered there are places that are painted. For example, right here. Right here. And right here. They're painted and really bad job too. Can you see all the orange peel? It's a really bad job. See, it's just flaking off like it's nail polish. Like a thin coat of nail polish. It is the strangest thing. So, here we go. Okay, so what we're going to use is the 400 grit sanding discs. And after we get done with the 400, we'll bump up to the 1000. If it's still not smooth, then what we'll do is bump up to the 2000. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. It's smooth, but this stuff is still on there. So we're not worried about going through the paint. We're going to actually repaint it. But we got to see, it's there, but you can't feel it. Went right over it, no problem. So you're probably wondering why I'm lifting up on it. I've been playing with this thing long enough now. I can usually sand with the little bitty sides of it, the little edges. I can usually sand my particular spot with that. And you know, can say all you want in the comments, but it is what it is. That's how it's done here. It's just all these little bitty.
Go ahead and go to a coarser grit. And
I don't. I have 220, and you got 220 over there.
Try it.
What do you think?
Better.
A little bit there.
Yeah.
A little bit there.
Air bubble clear.
Yeah, that's much better. That's not.
Yeah, but you're only going to do it a little bit at a time, so.
Yeah. Well, it gives me an idea.
Oh yeah, it's way better. Still
That's-
from right in here. You feel?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's all right here, but it is better.
Yeah, it is.
This is much better.
Once you get done with taking the worst of it down, then switch to a fresh 600
Come back over.
and come back over it.
Alright. So we ultimately had to go down to 220. The 400 was not cutting it. This is, we don't know what kind of paint job this is, but it's messed up. So, anyway, we could not get it smooth. So, we went down to 220, and it's actually doing a lot better that it's getting this trunk done. Sorry, I don't like those things balling up on there. It drives me nuts. So, now, we ran out of 1,000. He's going to get some tomorrow. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some 600 and put it on here. And we're going to see if we can't smooth it out enough to maybe nail this. You know what I mean? And then this will be done. So the goal is smooth and no shiny spots. Now, just a couple of tips. The first tip is, if you're not sure you got smooth, use a thin microfiber towel, and it's going to catch on the not smooth, okay? And that's going to tell me what I need to know. So a lot of people are probably wondering or saying behind the screen, she should just take it down to bare. This is putting lipstick on a pig, part 2. Yep, I think we got it this time. Okay, we're back here at the hood. We were doing some testing on here. So it's been, we've used some sandpaper. Now, we're gonna use the 220 and see if we can't smooth this out better. And then I'm gonna use the 600 and get all the gloss off of it. I'll probably use the 220. Alrighty, so this is done, and I even treated it with a little bit of panel prep. It would be my own panel prep, and that is alcohol and water. It's just to get all the gunk off of there and all of that. We'll see how things look tomorrow. This needs a little bit more because down here there's still some gloss, and I want to get that, I want to bring that back a little bit. Yeah, we've got a few glossy spots, but I'll get the light out and we'll make sure we've got that taken care of on this side. And then tomorrow I will, after I get the roof done, which is what I'm doing next, when I get that done, then I will get everything prepped, meaning get the plastic on and all of that. Anyway, all right, I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow.